Hi, this is Serena. I welcome you on behalf of Platinum Global Solutions to a series of online interview sessions. We are proud to have you as our keynote speaker at our upcoming 5th Clinical Trials e-conference on 25th May this year. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. So, before we kickstart our interview session, I would like to have a brief introduction about you, your professional career, and your area of expertise in which you are working. So, over to you.
Sure. Thank you. Hello, and thank you for this invitation, and thank you for having me here. I'm Valentina Jovanoska, and I'm the CEO of Valea Clinical Trials, a company that offers decentralized clinical trial services. Means a company that brings the clinical trials to the patient's home. So we support the clinical trials with nursing services, which means we offer home trial support, but also we offer on site support services. It means for the clinical trial as well. Valea is based in Austria, in Vienna, so we primarily service the DACH region, the German speaking region, but we are also present across Europe. And having extended experience obtained in over 10 years allows us offering supporting services that are not limited to age or clinical indication nor to a clinical trial phase.
Okay, that's great. Valentina, let's move on to our first question. So, tell me, what do you think about the ongoing global pandemic situation, and what's your take on its impact on businesses worldwide?
Oh, well, the pandemic was and still is a massive hit for all of us as humans as well as societies. A hit in terms of just stop and you must start thinking out of the box and stop and start getting out of your comfort zone. So I think that all of us in the clinical trial industry have quite well adjusted to this out of the box thinking. As we have seen the urgency of this quick adaptation to the evolving environment while still remaining focused on our business. So now we clearly saw the challenges that we were always expecting them. They are now reality. And we really rose up beyond our comfort zone and start implementing the new ways to get the medication faster to the patient.
Yeah, that's great. So, quite thoughtful. So, according to your experience, briefly explain the current situation of clinical trials industry and what's your forecast related to this.
Oh, well, the delivery of health care to the patient has changed since this pandemic. There is no doubt. It came to disruption that forced us and the industry, but also the regulations, to think prospectively about how to implement the new methods that would efficaciously bring the help to the patients. Well, the efforts and the innovations we have made in the past, and those ones for speeding the clinical trial process, for speeding the delivery of new and efficient medications to the patients, it seems that they are working right now, and it seems that they are taking the right direction, and the direction is direct to the patient,
Yeah, that's
actually. The implementation of DCT in this term is now not anymore only a discussion topic. It starts to get a new normal in this industry, and it seems that we are now at the point when we see the results from the past, as we exactly see sponsors that are already having an experience with VCT. They are improving and further developing it and implementing into their daily life. So basically the one can say DCT came to stay.
Okay, wonderful. So, Valentina, now as you are a CEO, so as a company, what changes you have introduced in the overall operations and business strategies in these challenging times? And more importantly, how these changes are going to impact the future of landscape of your company?
Well, the clinical trials industry is a dynamic and flexible one, as well as we humans are dynamic systems too, which means that we always have to be ready for changes and for adaptations. Um, I think the way of communication is the biggest change we have seen over the past year, and not only we have seen it, but also all stakeholders did. Patients, sites, regulatory, all these stakeholders that are participating into the complex system of the clinical trial. All of us was forced to go an extra mile and to go beyond, and this becomes somehow the normal thing, and I think this will remain and will still further develop in the future.
Yeah, I understand. So, lastly, what are you expecting from this e-conference, and what valuable insights our audience can expect from your presentation?
Well, diving deeper, analyzing situations, and sharing experiences is actually the way we learn from each other, and this is the way the science is following. And for sure, now we all know that the science is the only one that will help us get out of this pandemic, no doubt. So I'm happy here to share my experiences in bringing the clinical trial to the patient directly, bringing the clinical trial to his or her home, or to the working place, or to school, or to some other place outside of the clinic, while these patients still remain into the study as long as possible, and while we still collect valuable data that will catalyze the delivery of efficient and safety medication to the patients.
Okay, so that's great. So, Valentina, thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and looking forward to have a great, knowledgeable session from you at our conference.
Thank you too. Thank you also for your time. I'm looking really forward to seeing you soon and sharing experiences.
Thank you so much, Valentina.